Morning, this is a quick video to show what we've done to this Citroen Relay, Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer. It's all the same van. What we do for these is deadlocks on the rear door, which are hook bolts, which then fires into the bracket on the remaining door. So simple lock, no movement at all, and then unlock. We also fit a armoured plate between the door and the handle, because these vans are very prone to being spiked underneath here and opened. We've also fitted a internal box section to protect the lock. Yeah, the Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer, Citroen Relay all suffer very badly from that back door being attacked, so recommend highly fitting a armoured plate. On the side door we also fit a hook deadlock, which, as you can see, the door doesn't move. Well, it probably moves about half a mil, but it's a nice tight fit. I'll just show you what's inside. So we fit we cut a hole into the door. Now the alignment of this right hand edge to the bolt is very important. You want it to literally slide against the edge of this hook bolt. The tighter you get that bolt and receptacle lined up, the more secure your van is. If you've got deadlocks fitted, just shut your door, fire your lock. That's just dropped in nice and easy. They say these hook bolts are very, very easy to operate. That's literally, little finger. The old ones were a bit of a nose. So yeah, that when I pull the door now, I don't know if you'll see, doesn't move really. You can't see the bolts in there. There's nothing to attack. If you use the crowbar, the hook bolt's going to be, trapped in the receptacle. On these aren't so bad for door peeling, because the van itself has got, a top. I'll call it a lobster claw. It's probably a different name for it, but this will actually latch in, keep the top of the door from being pulled, combined with a high level hook bolt and also this anchoring point here. It makes it quite a secure van. As I say, there's only two locks on this van, two manufacturer locks on this van. There's one on the back door here, there's one on the front door. So because there's two locks, we fit two of these plates, and that will protect any damage to the door. Okay, so that's again Citroen Relay, Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer, deadlock and armoured plate solution, and the company is Vehicle Fit, based in the West Midlands. Company number 07900 60 50 40. That's mobile service, lifetime warranty, based in the Midlands. Thank you.